2007 Mustang fuel pump. Customer states will not start. Car's been parked for about a year and a half. He's been using ethanol gas, and I told him the ethanol gas goes bad pretty fast. And that's how fast it goes bad. That's the actual strainer on the bottom of the pump that goes right here. Totally disintegrated. About a year of sitting, and that's what happens. So please use non-oxy fuel and use fuel stabilizer. Good luck.